There is one rod that you may not hear a lot about, but it's called a traverse rod. Now your traverse rod comes with a return bracket. I can't find the bracket for this one. Yeah, but your traverse rod comes with a return bracket, which means that it gives you a little way off the wall. Your traverse rod has the bracket on the ends of the rod, and then you just mount it to the wall. Now, why it is called a traverse rod is because, before we get into that, let's just establish that it comes with its own gliders, right? And there will be different ones, different brands. This one has plastic gliders. So what you do is just put your hooks on your curtain panel, your curtains, and then you basically just hook into the gliders, right? But what is so cool about a traverse rod is that it traverses. If you notice, there's a cord at the end here. And what happens is that when you pull one side of the cord, my hand is in the way here. Maybe I should get you guys a little closer. When you pull one side of the cord, you notice that it meets in the middle, which means that you're closing your curtains or your draperies. When you pull the other side, it goes to the side. So you are opening your draperies. With the traverse rod, the gliders traverses across the rod, meet in the middle, go to the side, all because they are strong with this rope. It has a mechanical system, and so the rope helps you to operate the rod. Now let's pull it back to center. And if you notice in the center here, these two extensions, they come together in the center there. So what happens is that not only do you hook onto the gliders, you hook also onto the holes in these extensions, because what it does is actually overlap your draperies or your curtain panels in the center. This is a very cool one. The only thing is it's more not highly traditional, but not highly modern either. A more modern way to hang your pleated curtains would be with the rod and the rings and the hooks, right? Now this actually has what is more like a cleat on the end here, and what you can do is install it to your wall, right? So you install it at the base as far as it hangs when you're finished installing the rod onto the wall. I hope this lesson was helpful. My name is Valrine. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, watch these videos, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks so much for being here.